Hello there. My name is Reinhard Nikanor Shan. I'm a 12th grade student and my class is 12-1. Now imagine waking up in the morning and opening your phone before the sunlight even touch your skin. Within a second, you will connected with millions of people around the world. Yet somehow you are feeling lonely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paradox of our digital era, where social media is both a bridge and a barrier. It helps us to connect to people around the world. It helps us to increase our creativity, and it is also save many people's lives. By the platform like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, people can share their ideas and build their own career by creativity and connection. But behind the glow of the screen, there are a silent danger, addiction, misinformation, and many others. Nowadays, people just scrolling only for validation, not for inspiration or information. They also compare their behind the screen or their real life into someone else's highlight reel, and they're forgetting self-worth cannot be measured by likes and followers. So is social media a helpful tool or dangerous distraction? Perhaps it is neither. It is like a fire. It can warm or it can burn. The outcome is depends how we control it. So in the end, the power is not depends in the algorithm or the device. It depends to us, the user. We must control it so as not controlled by it. I think this is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening, and I hope this can be useful for you in the future. Thank you.